Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm here with my Patriotic add-on embellishment kit, and these ones, there are 5. 2 of them are the same, so 2 of them will have this card, the lighthouse with the flag in the front, and on the back you also get the lighthouse. These were from a set of cards that were in my mom's stash. And so there's 2 with the lighthouse. There's one with the bear that's got the ships, and looks like there's an airplane, part of like a trolley car or something, maybe a car, and the word believe, a glove and a ball, some baseball cards, and a flag, and the church out the window. So lots of things going on this card. Okay, next we have the children watching the parade, and yeah, this is one of my favorite cards. So, and they're holding their flags, and they've got their balloons, and their faces are painted, and it's just absolutely adorable. The next one is the eagle and the flag with the berries and the gingham there, and on the back you have the little stamp. On the back you have the little stamp of that, and on the back you have the believe. Okay, so that is what makes each of these different. They all come with what I'm going to show you next. And so they are packaged in the pretty daisy packaging, because that's what I had. I added a flag napkin. It only has the one image, and then it has the border around it. But I added that, and I added another guest check to each one. And I also added these sequins. So you get these red and blue, and there are some white, and then silver and gold, and a blue glitter glue pen. So each kit does have that. And then let's go ahead and pull out this here. You also have a little pinwheel that has been stuck to your plastic just inside, because it was an afterthought. So let's start with the papers. You get an eagle card and a couple of think-alike cards. You get a little white doily, this cute note paper, a red things to do, shine like stars. You get a couple of pieces of cardstock that are blue, a little bag, this gorgeous red, white, and blue napkin that you will be able to use on your projects. I just thought it was really cool, and I really liked that it had several colors of blue, because a lot of times the papers and embellishments that we buy are different blues. You get a piece of graph paper and a piece of red paper. Okay, so those are your large papers, and then you get this little red striped bag, and you get a Wounded Warrior Project note with the flag. You get this, the paint chip is Independence, and then you get some page flags, and a flashcard, another guest check, and a receipt. Okay, so those are your medium note papers in their pretty bag. And then you get USA twice. So you get 2 Between the Stars USA. You get some red bling. And my favorite part are the things that are in here. You get a white and a blue round sticker. You get a couple of flag toothpicks. And then, let's go ahead. You get this, this pocket. So one of these pockets, it's a clear pocket that you can go ahead and put, it's sticky. You can go ahead and put it in your journal. You get this flag stamp and this one and this one. And of course your postmarks may be different, but you do get all three of the stamp. This one says, I pledge allegiance. This one has a picture of, looks like it's the White House. And then this one with the flag flying in the clouds. Okay, then you get an assortment of stickers. Okay, this one says, in God we trust. We've got some flags. These might be different. And then you get God bless and God bless America. Okay, but everybody gets a Wounded Warrior Project sticker and a couple other stickers on their thing, and these will just be right here in your little envelope. Tuck them in there, and then you get some confetti. So you get some flag confetti and some flag star confetti and another sticker. Again, these were all in my mom's stash. You get the United States charm. That's pretty fun. And you get this red, white, and blue button. And I already showed you those. So that is your kit. And like I said, each one comes with all of these things. And then you choose your card. This time I did a separate listing for each card. And so if they're not showing up, that means they're already sold. Okay, so little Patriotic kit here. And I will ship these out as soon as you order them. I do go to Ojai one day, so I get to go pick up my grandkids. Actually, I do get to have them early, and they're going to go see my dad. Yay! Which is, I think, so exciting. So, okay. So, again, your card choices are the eagle, the children, the bear with believe in the church and the plane and all the different things, or the lighthouse. Okay, and those are available now in the Dear Julie Etsy shop. So find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy your week. Happy 4th of July. Bye. Bye-bye.